Righto, Damo, what are we doing tonight, mate, for Damo and Dave's Dodgy?
All right, mate, so we've got the weather on tonight, and we've got beautiful pork loin. Look at that.
And I noticed there's a bit of seasoning, mate. What sort of seasoning we doing there, Damo?
We've got a bit of pork seasoning on there, just whatever you can get,
Right, yeah, a bit of liquid crack.
Bit of this, bit of that. Make it up yourself. Make it up as you go.
Right, and what are we doing now, Damo?
Just come down this way.
Absolutely. Nice Christmas accessory.
And we're going to make some mashed potato and
Nice. Yes, yeah.
bacon and onion shit.
Let me get set up here. This is great. Bacon and onion shit. That's looking good. Right. Now, so.
Whenever you use baking paper,
Oh yes.
scrunch it up.
Why so?
Throw it out.
Right.
You know?
Throw it out.
And it'll just fit in your pan a lot better.
Oh.
Look how good that goes in there.
Yeah, I never knew that. That's brilliant. Let's put that crap in there.
Alright. The next thing we're going to do
Yeah.
is turn that light on there. That's switch.
Yeah, right. Yes. Ah, bang.
Other one.
Right. Nice.
Alright. We're going
Bit
to
of cling wrap.
line this bench.
That's a big, bit of clean wrap. That's good. That's a good angle, Damo.
We might need a couple of pieces here.
Right.
So,
Move that beer out of the way there.
and this is the first for us. We've never done this.
So what are we doing, Damo? Just explain to the people out there in TV land. What have we done?
Basically, we've done a mashed potato, and we're going to stuff it with bacon, cheese,
Mushies.
mushrooms, garlic, onion.
And don't forget the tomato.
No, I'm not going to put the tomato in there because it's too healthy.
It's got too many antioxidants there.
So we've got some potato here we've pre-done.
Oh, and we've done two types of potato, if I'm not wrong there,
We've
Damo.
done a mash. We've done
Sweet.
a mashed potato, sweet potato, and normal potato. You want to let that get cool. Room temperature.
Folks, this is where it goes, mate. This is what we're doing it, yeah. Nice.
Now,
Give it some,
this
yeah.
could fail.
Are we doing one or are we doing two of these things?
No, we're doing the whole thing,
Right.
and we're going to cut it in half
Yes.
once it's cooked.
Right. Now, with the mashed potato, have you added anything to it or what have you done there?
So with the mashed potato, we've done your typical mash. Boiled
Butter.
it for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Butter, milk, salt and pepper, and then we've added a bit of flour in there just to bind it all together.
And why is that? Is that soft raisin or plain
just
there, buddy?
Plain flour. You just want to. It'll just hold it all together.
Binding
Stop it from
ingredients.
falling apart. Want to get every little bit out. Taste of it.
That's what she said. All right, now, this is going to be the critical point, folks, in terms of how we'd eat this thing.
So we sort of want it into a bit of a rectangle.
A rectangle. All right. Beautiful.
Keep it nice and even. Just like that. Just keep it
It looks good. It smells good, people. I think that's the garlic infused. And is the
No,
bacon...
the garlic's not in here yet. The garlic is in the bacon mix.
And that's out on the Weber?
No, that's here.
Oh, right. Yeah.
The Weber's got the pork. Alright, so I think we're ready to start adding the ingredients.
Right. Alright. Going good, Damo?
So what we have here, onion, bacon, mushroom, garlic. Can you smell it?
I can.
Of course you can't. So I think we're just going to go straight in the middle.
Oh, wow. Now, what I'm keen to see is how you shape it with the Glad wrap.
That's going to be the tough part.
Oh, you're the man of the moment, mate. You can do this, no dramas.
Get every last bit out.
Chinese container
Mate,
from Dean Street.
the only way to go.
Yeah, I
The
love
only
it.
way to go.
Yeah.
$2 for about 24 from the reject shop.
Really?
Oh, unreal.
No public endorsement here. We're just doing what we can. Because we can.
So we got that in there. Can we all see that?
Oh, yeah, I'll get a close up. Coming in. Beautiful.
And then we're going to add...
Oh, some great cheese.
Great
Absolutely. That sounds great. Yeah, let's do that. The zinger. But
It didn't come out.
happens to every guy eventually. I need to catch up with you. Beautiful, beautiful.
All right, we're looking good. We're looking good.
All right, now comes the tricky part.
This is a crucial moment.
Okay. Yo, gotta hydrate.
Take your edges of your Glad wrap.
Yes, yes.
Before we do that, just give me a bit of a pat down.
Oh,
Just to squash it in. That big clump can go in there.
right.
And
Yes.
if you wanted to add anything more to it, like chili, jalapenos,
Broccoli.
this would be the time.
Yeah, sauerkraut. Screw the broccoli. What the hell is broccoli doing in there anyway?
I would definitely put some jalapenos in here.
Oh.
Or tomatoes, but we got Dave here tonight. He doesn't want to do any
Mate,
of that,
there's too many.
so-
It eliminates too many free radicals. I mean, it's been proven that tomatoes attack cancer cells. Yeah, just oh, wow. This is going to be a big one. Look at that.
Oh, that's your big boy. Yeah, that's your big boy.
Oh, this is the big boy. Yeah. This is not for your learning drivers. This is for someone that can do their crap.
Just going to seal that potato around the edges.
Calzone.
It is. It's very much like a calzone.
Yeah, so
We're going to fold those edges in.
nice, nice. Peter Russell Clark style. For those viewers that are too young, Peter Russell Clark was huge in the 80s. Look him up. Unfortunately, I think he has passed now, but he's still in our hearts and minds. Oh. Whoa. Now, Damo, how many people do you reckon this would feed?
I think it depends on how pissed you are, really.
Comments from the
A couple of
Supercoach.
blokes like us,
Yeah,
not
couple of
like
large
this.
mammals.
You probably feed about 4, maybe 6 people.
Right.
So just form that as much as you want.
Yes, yes. Love it, love
Get
it,
it
love
nice.
it. Nice.
But don't
That-
play with it too much because
Cause what?
you'll have a bust out like this.
Oh, shit. Sorry, bugger I should. Oh, this is when we got her on camera when it all goes to... Righto. Now,
Just pat it down.
Patty.
Alright, now,
Right.
this is crucial. We need to get this into that.
Too right.
Just gonna...
Comments from the Supercoach.
wear it up a bit more.
This might take a bit of baking, Damon.
Well, we don't need to do really any baking. Everything's cooked in there. We just need to warm it through.
We want a firm crust on the outside.
Yes. We are using baking paper, but I just want to put a bit of spray on there.
Absolutely. And maybe on the top of that.
This is very sticky.
Just give it a good crust. All right, here we go. You got to win it, mate. You got to win it. You got to earn it. Like, you know.
Just trying to think of this.
How are you going to do it?
Just sort of twist those.
Whoa! You've done it. You got to flip it though.
You ready for this?
Yeah, you got to flip it.
Because I'm not.
Yes! Cop that, Empire Strikes Back. That's about as good as you're going to get, mate.
Now,
Hello.
don't worry about those edges.
Right.
We'll smooth that off.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I would recommend if you had a bit more cheese, you could put a bit of cheese on the top of that.
Oh, just give it a bit of crust or something like that, or some melted cheese.
Yeah, and we actually do.
Whoa! What sort of cheese are we using, Damon? Cheddar?
Let's use a bit of Parmesan.
Whoa! Very
Shredded Parmesan.
Very a la carte.
That'll give it a nice crust on top.
And what are we presetting the oven to there, mate?
So I've got it on 200 degrees.
Right. For how long do you reckon?
This will take about
20 minutes, maybe?
Look, yeah, 15, 20 minutes. You really just want to heat it back through and get that cheese nice and melted.
All right then, so what we're going to do...
Go.
Yeah.
So that is... What are we calling it, Dave?
We're calling it the Ducks Nuts of the Damo and Dave's...
It's a big
thing.
blob of mess, really.
Well, at this stage, but, you know, we'll have the great unveil.
And we'll see you when we come back.
Too right.